Here are 3 ways to get caught up on your laundry. Number 1, stop sorting by color. Number 2, use non-toxic laundry detergent. And number 3, let everybody in the house just toss their dirty clothes directly in the washer. It's pretty easy to do if you use number 1, Shout color catchers. They're a wonderful product. I've been using them for years. They trap the dye that may be released from dark colored clothes so that it doesn't get onto light colored clothes. They're called Shout color catchers. Number 2, use non-toxic laundry supplies so you're not worried about your children or your pets getting into something and being hurt. I love Norwex. They have liquid and powder detergent. Love it so much. And number 3, let everybody in the family know you've already put the color catcher into the washing machine and you've already put the detergent into the washing machine. So all they have to do is toss in their dirty clothes when they create dirty clothes.